General to our Secretary General of the organization, my comrade Malula, then came to caucus and said, well, today is the day. It's the day we are going to discuss the report and we are going to vote. But I want to say to the caucus of the ANC, none of you will vote for this report, in favor of this report. It's a report of the Speaker.
Do you think that vote that day was ANC abusing its majority?
I think we did. I hate to say this, we did. And I'm saying this with all sincerity and honesty, that it was not necessary to walk into a caucus and say, you will do what I want you to do. It was not necessary. We could have been more matured in the manner. Our democracy is maturing. Constitutional Court has ruled. I hang my head in shame because we could have done better.